So I'm going to run EAA on the Verifit 1. So I have my patient pulled up on NOAA, and if you go all the way up here, that's Starkey Profit. I actually already have it pulled up and have connected the hearing aids already. And right now I just have the left one selected because that's the one I'm going to do EAA on. So what you want to do is go over to the like 3 bars over here and go all the way down to hearing aid test. And so here we are. So what you want to do, so I already did select left, so when I hit full on gain it won't happen in the right. So I'm going to hit full on gain after I set the hearing aid up in the test box. So this is what it looks like. The coupler does look a little bit different for the Verifit 1. Everything is just a little bit different, but it is pretty similar to the Verifit 2. And so I've got that mic. Honestly, I can move it a little bit closer to the mics on the hearing aid. And so that's how I have it set up. And before I shut the box, I am going to actually set it to full on gain, see if any sound leaks out. Okay, so it's on full on gain and I don't hear anything. So I'm going to shut the box. This box is a little bit strange, so that's how you lock it. And so here is what I have. So it's already set up, but I wanted to show you I have text selection, and you would do that from clicking this tests button, and that's what will pop this up. And then you're going to hit test box measures, and then you're going to have to hit ANSI/IEC. And so that'll bring you here. That's where I was before. And so now I'm going to start the test. And this is just instructions on how to do it, but I've already done it. So that's looking really, really good so far. But this is how the Verifits, both of them, will tell you to set it to reference test gain. So you've got this kind of like big triangle. You want it to flip and get small. And so I'm just going to hit reference test gain. Okay, now it's at reference test. And usually it's a little bit small, but it might be matching the target so well that the triangle actually disappeared. So that's great. So I'm gonna hit continue. Okay, so what you would do is you take a look at those curves, and then you take a look at these numbers and you compare it to the spec sheet for the exact make and model hearing aid that you're using. And right now I'm using a Starkey Edge AI 24. But before you exit, like always, just make sure you return to user settings. All right, now you've done EAA.